PGC Trust University, Bangladesh was founded by a philanthropist and freedom fighter, Engineer Afsaruddin Ahmed, who has a commitment to the soil as an organizer of the Liberation War of Bangladesh. The university was established with an aim to transform population into human resources with knowledge and skill. The Department of English started its journey in 2006 to fulfill these objectives. At BGC Trust University, Bangladesh, the Department of English conducts two programs: BA Honours in English and MA in English. BA Honours and MA programs offer a unique blend of literature in English and applied linguistics. They represent, on the one hand, a broad sampling of British, American, and world literature written in English. On the other, developments in linguistics and language teaching. Extensive reading and writing, along with discussion and presentation skills, are required in virtually all the courses offered by the department. The focus on critical reading, analytical reasoning, and lucid writing is central to the mission of the department. Vision of the Department of English is to become one of the leading English departments in the country by widening students' horizon of knowledge and by inculcating the 21st century graduate skills through interdisciplinary and practical approaches. Missions of the Department of English are to equip students with graduate skills, to enable students to appreciate texts from the perspective of prominent critical approaches and theories, to enlighten students with ethical values through constant exposure to and practice in their academic activities. The syllabuses have been given a pragmatic approach and designed keeping in mind this vision, missions of the department and objectives of the programs. The Department of English, BGC Trust University, Bangladesh, can boast of some salient features. They are: Number 1. Senior and experienced teachers with international exposure. Number 2. Faculty members work as student advisor to students. Number 3. Cordial teacher-student relation. Number 4. Outcome-based curriculum and education. Number 5. Nurture co-curricular and extracurricular activities among students. Number 6. Nurture feelings of patriotism, integrity, tolerance, respect among students. Number 7. Good employment record and high job potentials of graduates in public and private sectors.
To learn, to live, to shine, to achieve, to build up a successful career, to make you a perfect citizen of 21st century, you must come to the Department of English of BGC Trust University, Bangladesh, because here you will have a very talented, visionary, innovative, and dedicated panel who are always ready to provide you support necessary to meet up your goal.
It is my privilege to be a student of Department of English at BGC Trust University, Bangladesh, because I have been highly benefited from my studies here. The department has contributed a lot to nurture my latent qualities and explore the appropriate ways to become a complete human being for the society.
The department has a pool of sincere, qualified, skilled, and experienced teachers who are guiding the students to achieve their objectives. The department organizes many colorful and joyful programs throughout the year, marking the national days and birthdays of luminary writers of literature. Projects, programs promoting the nourishment of creative faculty of the students and student-centered teaching learning are the other outstanding features of the department. In order to establish a cordial relationship between teachers and students and to promote the co-curricular and extracurricular activities of the department, a student forum named Circle of English Language and Literature, CEL, is working in the department. To achieve these objectives, CEL runs the following clubs. They are Press and Publication Club, Sports Club, Cultural and Drama Club, Debating Club, Reading and Creative Writing Club, Language Club. I feel
am proud to be a student of the Department of English of BGC Trust University. The vibrant environment of the department, sport, cultural and literary activities of the department have been developing my interpersonal skills and leadership skills.
The qualified teachers of the Department of English are the most commendable things I would like to highlight. The teachers are sincere enough to make us explore any problems and find solutions to them. They exert their best to help us achieve our learning outcomes. The syllabus of the department is also very time befitting to make us competent graduates for the 21st century.
Online classes are going in full swing from the first week of corona pandemic in Bangladesh. The co-curricular activities of the department have been going on during the situation too. We have organized a good number of online seminar and career-related programs during this time. The department can also boast of a vibrant alumni association.
Syllabus of the Honors and MA in English programs of BGC Trust University English Department have been designed to meet the needs of the 21st century job market. The department has many senior experienced and qualified teachers with international exposure. Our graduates are well placed in both public and private sector jobs. To study English literature, BGC Trust University English Department is definitely a good choice. Thank you.